Today we're doing the ultimate Photoshop, Lightroom, Firefly boards. It's going to be a crazy one. So right now, I'm actually going to be building the character that we're going to be using for our design. We're going to be doing like a samurai hybrid astronaut design. We're going to be using some real life images that Jay has taken photos of in his trip in Japan. Yeah, I'm just building the prompt right now. So I'm going to do a hyper-realistic character design of an astronaut reimagined. For prompting here, I'm using the keyword being reimagined, and I'm actually just going to be using Nano Banana for this as well, and kind of just experimenting with outputs. Oh man, we've got some cool character design right now.
Man, I can't wait to see what you're about to.
No, same. Oh, dude.
Oh my days, yo.
Dude, that's so sick.
Okay, yeah, that's fire. I love this one in particular because all these boats just suddenly came along and we like all sprinted back to this spot where the love heart is of Fuji. I need to make these leaves pop, so this is the fun part, masking objects. Look at my lovely brush. And the cool thing about these brushes now is they can pick up exactly what you're brushing over and then separate it from the sky. It should just pick up. There we go. These two sliders are my favorite. Or just masking in general, when you want subjects to pop out or certain details, is just add a bit of texture and a bit of clarity. Do you want the subject in the front to be there, or do you want me to remove them as well?
If you could remove him, that would be brilliant. Yes, please.
Okay, no. Well, so it's a lovely other thing about Lightroom now is with distraction removal, you can do people. And we're just gonna brush over and we click remove. I'm going through my 3 variations here when you use your Gen Remove. There we go, perfect.
We're both on the same board, so whatever I do on this board here, Jaden can also use. He can add in any images, so we don't need to like constantly send Dropboxes or emails to each other. We can just do it all in one board, which is really nice.
Whoa! What do you think? My bad. There you go.
Dude, that's so good. Bro, absolute cinema. I literally just got the pose I wanted. Okay, that's wicked. So I'm actually gonna do a little bit of a cheat code with the blending. I'm gonna add in the character design into like a autumn kind of scene before I push it into Photoshop. Just makes the blending process so much easier.
Oh my gosh, that is tropical.
Quite happy with it. I'm just gonna play with it. Anytime I'd be posting tutorial videos online, I would always tag Adobe UK. I would always send them my work. I would always do the hashtags that they're trending with. I remember I did this one post and Adobe messaged me and they were like, yo, we love this piece of content. Can we repost it? And I was like, absolutely, that's so cool. I was so hyped. And I just started building up my network and just talking to people, and then work really hard and keep going. I feel like everyone's Adobe journey is so different, but I love it. I love hearing it. I've expanded your image.
Oh yeah, that looks...
And I'm just working with some like compositionings. Right, I'm gonna test out Harmonize, one of my new favorite features in Photoshop. It harmonizes it does all the shadows, highlights. Wow, that did really well. What? Wait, that did like a lot better than I actually expected.
That's what we like to hear.
Also, a little something fun. In all of my designs, I hide my signature astronaut. He is named Zero.
That's pretty smart. That's very cool.
You know when you have a client design and you have to show them a mock-up? That's pretty much how I'm doing this, is I'm showing it how it could look. And then I'll go into more detail for it and then actually finalize it all myself. So right now we're just playing with the ideas, having fun with it. But thank you all so much for watching. We really appreciate you. Jaden, that was a lot of fun.
Yeah, thank you. Keep creating, as always.
Absolutely.